Last day. It's foggy today. And it's a little bit cold.
Kasha sa kanila. Maybe we can just get a...
Look at that. Foggy. Going back to Paris today and going to the Louvre. We made it. Hi, Johnny. Come on. Crazy busy. This is the triangle from upstairs.
Get the TV? Yeah, we're looking at paintings. Do you like them? Yeah.
Look at that big one!
Yeah.
Look at that!
It's big, hey?
They're both French.
Nasaan tayo, Bev? Bev, nasaan tayo, Bev?
Sa Louvre. Ano kaya yun? 16th.
Si Bukdong? Bukdong.
Parang babago.
Ay. Yeah, straight and then left. Yeah, that's where we're gonna be. We'll find it. Into Italia. Italien. Oh wow. Wow, look at these, Harp. Wow.
That's amazing.
I know, these are all paintings. You see that? This one was painted by Jacques-Louis David. Jacques-Louis David. This one was painted by Goya. What's his name? Francisco de Goya. Oh, they were Italian, so we can drop the French accent.
Isipin mo, if they need pictures, kailangan mo pang tumawag ng painter.
Oh, tapos uupo ka dun na napakatagal.
Pag gusto mo ng grabe.
See, so there was never a picture painted of an autistic person. Because they can't sit still. Should we set it up?
Dad, look at this big.
Oh, it's a red coat.
This is the
Malfoy, babe. Lucius Malfoy. No?
Duck, duck, duck. Duck. Duck, duck, duck.
Adam and Eve, maybe?
Paano nila nalaman na authenticate na ito talaga yung paint?
There's only one of one.
So, paano nila na-retrieve yun?
I don't know. Ayo, they siguro kina-carbon date nila.
Kaya minsan hindi ako masyado sure. Is this the real one?
Maybe they carbon date it. Who knows? I have no idea. Weba? Yeah, it's Jesus. Harper, it's Jesus. You see him? Right here. He's laying down. And his mom. And that's Mary Magdalene.
Remember those people that didn't like Jesus, Harp?
See, that's Jesus too. Here. You see him? That's baby Jesus. Pretty sure.
This one, the people didn't like Jesus hurt Jesus. Look.
See, they hurt him.
Ah, ito na yung panahon na. Ito na.
Salle de la Joconde.
Kayo.
What's happening?
Oh my goodness. That's huge. Look at that painting. Harpy, look at that. Oh my goodness. You see that? Big, eh? Harper? Harp. I know you're. Sunglasses on.
Charlie K, just a sec. Going to the gardens.
Harp?
Diba? Mukha lang tayong napadaan. Kesa doon sa mga tumitingin, formato sila na. Okay, don't touch it.
Be careful. If you smash this, we have to sell it. Want some?
Ew.
She said,